Hi, it's Maureen with Katie Home Organizer, and welcome to another edition of Ask the Organizer, where we are focused on the closet this month. And today's question is, Maureen, I can't find anything in my closet. What do I do? This question I hear a lot, and it usually just stems from frustration. And there are pretty much three things that I can narrow down to why you can't find things in your closet. A is there is too many things in your closet. The clothes are packed in way too tight, and it's really hard to pick something out and pull it out or put it away. And B would be lighting. You may have insufficient lighting. That is actually something that happens. It's not uncommon. We need to see what we're looking for. And C would be no system in place. You might have your shirts sprinkled in with your pants, and your sweaters are mixed in the whole bunch. That's a little bit confusing, and it makes it really hard to find that new outfit that you just bought if you've just set it in at random. So go into your closet, take a look, see if any or all of these apply to you. And next week, I'm going to offer some solutions on how to organize your closet. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.